All right, y'all. Well, here I am on the side of the highway. Just left work. And like the car that started acting stupid, the doggone check engine light came on. It said something or another. The warning ain't up now. But like, I pull up get my scanner, and similar to Misfire, so I guess maybe one of my coils has shit the bed. But like, I'm gonna try to reset it, and I'm gonna try to at least get home. I mean, I'll order some coils, or pick up one, or I'll probably do some diagnostics and swap them around and see if the misfire goes from 2 to 3 or whatever the case may be, 2 to 4, 2 to 1, whatever. But like, this came out of nowhere. I'm literally listening to ODB and jamming, going up this hill, and it just blah, 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 blah. And I mean, it's lost all power. It's out of nowhere. So I'm thinking it's hopefully a coil pack, because everything was running fine. I ain't had no problems out of it. I just did all this front end work. So I'm gonna try to reset it, try to start it up, and see if it'll run enough to get me about 50 miles home, because it's raining and it's cold. So I said it was running like pure caca when I started it back up after I pulled over. Oh yeah, it's running like crap. It got a serious misfire. What the hell didn't happen? My car smoking? What the fuck? Damn, did I kill the motor? Damn. And I did not renew my damn AAA either. Son of a bitch. Alright. Fuck. So, if you want to know if you have a misfire or not, you unplug the coil and see if how the motor runs changes. So if we unplug this coil, you can see that the motor starts running worse. If we unplug this coil, you see that there's no change at all. So if you unplug this coil, no change, that's the problem. Alright, y'all, she is back up and running. It was $143 and some change for one coil pack. I guess the coil packs are supposed to be different from VIN number 5 to VIN number 6. I have VIN number 6. They only had VIN number 5. It plugged right in, and now it runs like butter. So that is the part number, EBC 1109, CarQuest brand. I'll start it up so y'all can see. But she is running smooth like butter. And I'm at 266, almost 67,000 miles. Now drop a tail. She's running like butter. So back on the road we go. And we are back on the road, running good. So let's drop a gear. Let's drop one more. Let's drop one more. So that new coil pack is coil packing. So this is why it's important to know a little bit about your car, what it could be, and how to do it yourself, because a quote-unquote normal person would have been stuck on the side of the road, had to wait for a tow truck, go to a shop, be without a car for 2-3 days until they figure out what the hell's wrong with it. Where I had to look at when the first video I recorded and from when I fixed it, but that might have been maybe 30 minutes. So know about your stuff, keep tools with you, and yeah, stay diligent. I'm way overdue to replace my coil packs. 268,810 miles. I should have been replaced them, but hey, sometimes you just gotta run parts until failure. So let's go. And home I go. Da, 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 da. All right, let's drop a gear. Woo! That coil pack is packing. So just that y'all see, it was stored a random misfire. Repair if immediately if drivability issues are present, which mine was. Random misfire. So I have to check engine light on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clear that. And the check engine light should be off. And I already fixed the drivability. So we should be good to go. All the lights are off, and I might have to go to Mazda about that smart city braking system light, because it's starting to get on my nerves. But yeah, that should be it. And on to the next one. So I am going to replace all the coils. I have to figure out which ones, and then I'll just keep this Car Quest as a backup.